Okay, so my kitchen, my living room's over there. And this is my kitchen and dining area that we don't really have. And then over in that direction is the formal dining room, which is actually my office. And the dogs are chasing each other through the kitchen, through my office, into the hallway and the living room, and back there they're just running around and around and around. A little extra. So I can see a little bit of water at the bottom. Just a little. See, it's just a little moist down there. And then if it's still a little on the wetter side, I'll add some freeze-dried. This is freeze-dried spinach and kale, which is not in the mix. And these are some hemp hearts. I like to add those sometimes, and some flaxseed, some ground flaxseed. Glah, where you can see her, she's not fond of the peas because all the peas are still intact, whereas my blue and gold loves those. This is my Goffin's cockatoo. It's just a bunch of dust in there. He's eating it all. I know. Have you eaten it? That good? That good? Yes.